Okay, so now first to make the form, you have to go to a browser, or like open your browser which you have. You maybe have Google Chrome, maybe. Then you have to go to a website named forms.google.com. Don't worry, this changed the URL because like that is the short URL which I told to go. Now here you will get only these lines, you won't get this is like your recent thing, like which you recently made. Like yesterday night I like made one, like I recorded one video but the audio didn't came, so I discarded that. So now first you will get this, like this thing. Now click on this create like template gallery, or you can even click on this blank. If you like, you can choose like previous like some built-in templates which they have, or you can just click on the blank thing. You will get something like blank. Let me show you. I will choose the blank. You can choose any, but be sure if you scroll down you will get some education thing. If you choose that, you can submit only one response. I'll show you now. If you clicked on blank, you will get something like this, and here this is the like the form's title. Now you see untitled form, here is the title. If I type here test for Asad, now if I this button is for preview and this is for editing. Okay, I'll say what these both does. Now preview, if I click on the preview button, it will like show me a quick demonstration of the form. Okay, see the title changed, test for Asad. Now I need a subtitle here. Okay, so how will I add that? I have to go right here from form description or subtitles, type anything. This is just a simple form to teach my very good best friend. Okay, now you have to click on the preview button again, because this is the older one, it won't show you the new one. So you see the URL also changed. See, test for Asad. This is just a simple form to the I wrote this my spelling wrong. Okay, so now you got the point of changing the description and all. Now in some forms they have like at the top there is one picture, like a picture, whatever. Okay, like they have a picture, you want to add that. How you will do? We come to this customize theme button. If we click on this, you will see the header. Now click on choose image. One pop-up box will come. You can either choose from the built-in functions, any you can choose, or you can just upload your own photos, or if you have some photos in your Google account, you can choose that, but mine account I don't have some. So in upload, you can either click on browse or drag and drop the photo. I'll show you both. If you click on browse, your browser will like open your file explorer. You can choose any image. For example, I go to my downloads, then my images folder, and then choose the image and click open. Now it will take it directly. But if you don't like doing that, you want that you already, for example, you have a photo in your desktop. Okay, you want to drag and drop that. You can minimize it, drag the photo and drop it here. Now let me show you. If you click on done, it will add the thing. Now you can either like add caption, it's of no use, like you can add or no, like if you want you can add. Now if you click done, it's okay, but I am going to show you the drag and drop feature. If you open your file explorer and locate to your image where that is, for me it's the gradient one only. Now drag and drop the photo here. Now remember I told you from the desktop. Let me show you first from the file explorer. Now from file explorer, open your file explorer, drag and drop the photo right here. You will see something blue hover thing. Like it may be different for your laptop or PC you use, like most of the time it is same. If you drag and drop, it loads and then it gives you like the same as before. But if you have your image on your desktop, you want to drag and drop it here, then you have to minimize your Brave like your browser tab, then you have to take your image and drag and drop here. Okay, then it will work the same. Now you can like resize your image, find the best size for your image, and then you can click on done. Now it will load for a second or so, then you get it, you get the image. Now it takes the color from this image to match the template, but if you want your own colors, for example, if you want your own colors here, the background and all, you can click on this add custom color, then you can add any. For example, let me choose go little cyan. Okay, now you see these colors change to cyan background and all. I'll choose this one's look good. Okay, and it even saves to your drive for the draft, if you want to edit later. The font size, now you see these fonts, these are boring fonts, like you think I don't want these fonts, you can go here, choose any fonts you like. Playful, I'll choose the playful one. Now coming to this part, here you can you want to add some questions. For example, if I preview this, okay, maybe if I took one form before, that will be easy. Okay, now see this, everything changed. Okay, now here I want to add some questions. How do I add some questions? You will think whatever. Now if you want to add any questions, you see this sidebar, click on add questions, like add question, then you can put your question here. For example, this is my first question, and then oh god, now here you see multiple choice, but you don't want multiple choice, you want something else. For example, short answer. I'll type name in short answer, let me show you. And this button does is like, it is the required, like when we try to submit the form and we leave some blank lines or like blank question, it says this question is required. Like if you click on this, you write something, it won't give you any error because you wrote. If you erase this and then go away, it's like required question. And see this is short answer, that's why you cannot press enter. Like you can type a sentence, but you cannot press enter because we did not choose paragraph. Like if you want to press enter, for example, blah blah blah, then like if you want to write, you need a paragraph. Okay, for example, write a simple para. Now in short answers, you cannot press enter, but in paragraph you can like press enter, like get a new line. Sometimes in math question also, no, I think history civics, they gave a long question, but they did not give our functionality to like press enter. See, now in this one we type something, we cannot press enter, but in this is a paragraph, so we can press enter and then submit it. Okay, so that it does. And required is just required thing. I'm gonna check it for now. Now you can add as many as questions as you like. Now these all you can check by yourself, but I'll give you a quick demonstration. You can add more options here, but if you want that, like for example, here you have apple, then you have banana, then you want like you will add cherry, but like you cannot include all the fruits. Okay, select your favorite fruits. Like there's so many fruits. Okay, you cannot include all, so you want to add an option where you can select and type your own fruit name which you like. So click on this add other. Now you will get this add other, like other thing. If I preview this now, and yes, like something else also is there, I will wait 1 second, let it load. Okay, now like see, you can, this is multiple choice, so you can choose only one. But for example, oh, there is so many fruit, but that is not my favorite. For example, orange, Orange is not like my favorite, but just giving an example. So like if you click on other, and then you can type your own fruit name, for example orange. Oh god, for example orange or watermelon or anything. Okay, like this is not required, this is not a required, so you can like clear your selection again. So now let's leave the site. Another, this is also used for true or false. Oops. For example, you have a question for true or false, like select true or false. Okay, true or false. Now like sometimes in one of our exams there was like uh, like we they gave true or false, but we could even select both. We could even select true and false, because they choose the like check boxes. So if you choose check boxes, for example I write true, other option will be false. Okay, now here if I preview this, one second, it's taking so long today, my ping is full by the way. Okay, now like there was something like this. We could even select true, even false. That wasn't the case, like that is not the case. Like you can select multiple things if you choose checkbox, but sometimes they have the Dropbox also. Like first it was like Dropbox thing, then in English they gave an English grammar to select between sums. So now you see, like if we clicked on this, we could either select true or false, right? But you want to give them a quick preview of the questions also, so select multiple choice, then like you can choose you can choose either true or false. Like they can only select one, right? So it will be fair that if they select one only, like if they select both, teachers will be or the whatever, teachers will be like confused which one to give, so they give a minus mark. So like that is what multiple choice does. Now next we have maybe now these all like you can test, you can check by your own, because I don't have, like I have time, but like it will take so long, it will take little long to like show you all. It's already 13 minutes recording. Okay, so hope you understood, and if you have any doubts, or if you are like oh yeah, wait, I have something else also. If you want to share this with someone, what you will do is like click on send. Like if you finish making, you want to give it to others, click on send, and then this is email, you can put it with email. But if you want to get the link, click on this button like clippy link, then this is the long link one. Okay, if you click copy, it will copy. But if you want the short link, okay, the shorter link, then you get the shorter link too. But if you want the original long link, then this is that. You can copy the link and then paste it anywhere, or just give it to your friend. For example, I copied it. For example, this is my friend, I pasted it. Now you see, like there's the big link. Okay, now the title already came, test for Assad. Then we have the, so like this is how it works. And then maybe yeah, it's over. Then you can send it, and if you have any issues doing it, or some problems or some doubt which you didn't understand, you can ask me, I'll clear your doubts. And like if you don't understand, you can say me, okay, if anything you did not understand, or if I did any mistake in making you understand. Okay, bye. I mean not bye. Okay, if you have any doubts, ask me. Bye again, bye.